whoever that person is that you're like, wow, I really love you. Like, I have so much love for you. Talk to yourself that same way, the exact same way. I think we're very hard on ourselves sometimes.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. For those who do not know me, I'm Biyela. So today's Saturday. I'm going on a study date. I want to go to McDonald's and have a study date. I haven't had iced coffee in such a long time, so I want to do that or go to campus, like in the Leopard. I'm caught up between those two places, but I need to wake up. It's currently 9:15. I think I'm gonna start at 12 o'clock. So yeah, spend a day with me. Hi guys, we are about to leave to go for my study session. This is my outfit. And then I'm gonna wear slides because I have a pedicure done, chilled. And yeah, I actually don't know if I want to take my laptop with me. I don't know. It is so full here. Oh, I hate the straw. I hate it so much.
Skin color, only bona ndinjena, phela ndisikhathazi, ngento esikude kunami, noma ndisingeka.
Kugcwele ingane la zizobuka Spider-Man. Nazo zizodlalana. It's very uncomfortable vlogging. But I wanna do a vlog. I wanna do a test launch. I'm about to do my quiz.
Amaphuzethu sawabona kodwa kusasiza ngoba impilo zethu zishintshile. Amaphuzethu sawabona kodwa kusasiza ngoba impilo zethu zishintshile.
Inasodania beta. And it's also 9 minutes and I'm still on question 6.
Kwezinye isikhathi ufika mibuzo, uthi wawubona yini ubaluleka empilweni yakho. Wedali sayona, sasinento nje sayona.
I just got to my room. I'm super tired. I slept at 15 pages of sleeping, like 3 to about 3. And I got in that goal. But missed literally because I ran out. That's all. But it was a very productive day, I must say, but I'm super tired. I'm tired, I just want to rest. And I'll catch you on my next one.